Do you remember sometimes last year that I was sharing a link called Satoshi for you guys to, install that particular app and start mining the free token then? Okay, so that token called a core, C-O-R-E. Also mine just the 734.27 token. Then, but this year, February, all the token was distributed to those who mined it, and it got to the exchange on Bitmarks. Okay, as you can see right here that I would actually withdraw all this coin right here, okay, on the 8th of February, okay, and it was sold for a lot of money. So this same app, if you still have it on your phone, you can still use it to mine the particular coin that I want to show you right now, guys. But if you don't have it, guys, don't worry, I will show you where and how to do it. But before I show you that, welcome to this channel, Online Hustle Pro, from Adeyemi Oluwaseun, a friend right here. And also, guys, if you are new on this channel, and you are welcome, and if you are returning, I want to say thank you for helping us to grow this community. But if you never subscribed to this channel before and you're watching this video, kindly subscribe today, because I will be dropping some videos these days. I don't want you to miss those videos. All right, so guys, what you need to do if you don't want to miss it is just to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell, so that immediately I drop those videos, YouTube will be notifying you that you just dropped that video. And if you are new, please subscribe to this channel right now, so that you will not be missing our content. Now back to the business. So this is the app right here. If you don't have it on your phone, you need to do right now, you just down below now, you're going to see the first link there. What you need to do is just to tap on it, and it will show you how to get this app. This particular app, you can see free airdrop app. It's called Satoshi, right? So it will ask you to download and register. Once you have done that, do the verification. Though some people are lazy that they actually don't want to do the registration. Well, they have done the registration, but to do that KYC, because the KYC is actually not easy. Okay, but for them to do that, they are too lazy to do that, and it's actually not good. Okay, but if you can just try to do that, I think it will be better, because it actually pays a lot. So guys, now if you have it on your phone, or you just install it on your phone, this is the simple thing that you just need to do. All right, so all you need to do is just to come to, after you have installed it, come to this place where it says add projects. Okay, so just tap on add projects. It's going to show you some coins there, especially this one, OpenEX. Okay, this OEX right now, guys, let me show you something about this. Okay, you can see we have been mining this OEX since the mining started, estimate started this year in April, and you can see current status is still dropping. Okay, then you can see estimate end time is going to be sometime around the April next year. Okay, and estimate allow coin withdrawal. So that next year you start withdrawing. So you can also go through about this project right here, but this project is going to be a banger, just like core token. Okay, so you can just go through all this. Okay, so now as you can see here right here, you can see we have exit airdrop here. When you open it like that, you can see we have exit airdrop here, but you, at your own case, you're going to see participate airdrop. Okay, so what you need to do is just to tap on it, that participates in airdrop that you see there. Because I have participated since, that's why I have seen exit. If I don't want to do again, but why not? I will continue doing that. So you can also see the rest as well. But the utility of this remaining three, I don't know yet. But this is the main one that I want you to start mining right now, before next year, April, that they are going to stop mining it. Guys, that is how some people play with COR. Even myself, I also played with COR, that it won't make sense, but at the end of the day, it made a lot of sense, because I made serious money from that CORE. Okay, so guys, that is how it happened. So once you tap on it, once you tap on this and you tap on this, and you see participate something, airdrop here, just tap on participate airdrop. Then it will be attached. Then what next thing you're going to do is just to come back right here. And as you can see, every it stop every 25 rounds. As you can see it right here, you can see participate in 6 round airdrop. So this is 6 round. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is round 6. Okay. And it's still going to around 25 rounds. You can see 25 rounds of unclaimed airdrop suspends automatically. It will stop mining after it gets to 25 and you do not claim it, it will stop mining. So that is why you have to be coming there at least maybe once or twice in a day to just do what? All you need to do is just to click on this, tap on this claim. If you tap on this claim now, you see that all my token, they will increase. For example, now let's just check this place. You see how many open OEX that I have. You can see I have 1,293 OEX, 1,293 OEX. Okay, so but if I click on tap right here now, you can see I just claimed everything that is here. And we had 1,293 before on that OEX. And as you can see now, that is now 1,302, right? So that is how I've been growing it. And that is how you will be growing it till next year. When it gets to the market, guys, that is when you know the words. And trust me, guys, it's going to worth more than what you expect. Okay. And you can also join their, Twitter and Discord right here, okay, to see the announcement about all this token. So that is what I have for you right here today. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.